Hi everyone, welcome to the Viator Partner Livestream Unlocking Success with Viator. My name is Lindsay and I'll be taking you guys through our presentation today. We'll be talking a little bit more about what Viator is and how to be a successful Viator affiliate. Also, with the initial launch of this live stream, we will be having a live Q&A under the presentation. So feel free to drop any of your questions in the chat and the Viator team will do our best to get back to you. And with that, let's get started. So as I know a lot of you are newer to Viator, we're going to start off with a little intro to Viator as a whole. So a bit about Viator. We are the world's largest marketplace for bookable things to do. So we connect travelers with tour operators to book amazing experiences for any vacation. We also make it easy for creators to recommend great experiences through our affiliate program. We're committed to providing top quality experiences, and all of our experiences have to pass a certain quality standard in order to be listed on our site. On the screen, you'll be able to see all of the different types of experiences we host on Viator. So things like cruises or outdoor activities, cooking classes, and tickets and passes, you can all recommend on the Viator site. So here's a little bit on the idea of selling activities in general. So walking through a little bit, this is TripAdvisor's The Experience of Travel, some data they've gotten from interviewing travelers. So they talked about activities being a principal part of the trip experience. 87% of travelers had some of their most memorable trip moments participating in an activity. 53% ranked activities among the top 3 in-destination spend items, and 69% rated events, attractions, and activities as extremely or very important in making a trip fulfilling and memorable. So we do believe that activities are a truly integral part of the trip experience and are a great way to monetize your travel content. So now that you've learned a little bit more about Viator and selling experiences, we're going to transition into talking about our affiliate playbook. So this is a downloadable resource that we've created on the Viator team side by talking to our top partners and learning how they've been so successful on our platform and at affiliate marketing in general. So feel free to check out our full affiliate playbook after this session, but today we'll be doing a high-level overview. So the best way we've been able to break down our playbook is into these 6 steps. So we'll be walking through these 6 steps in depth, but seeing here, step 1 is research and utilize SEO keywords. Step 2 being target travelers ready to book. Step 3, how to select and share experiences that convert. Step 4, optimize your content for conversions. 5, understand and analyze your data. And 6, keep your content up to date. So we'll be walking through all of these steps during our affiliate live stream today. So our first step is research and utilize SEO keywords. So why this matters. SEO is truly the cornerstone of your blog. It is what brings you in traffic in order to get those affiliate bookings. So by optimizing your content with the right SEO, you're able to attract more visitors who are ready to book and are looking for the information that you're wanting to provide. So it's truly the cornerstone of your successful affiliate blogging journey. So as SEO is a little bit hard to navigate, we really do recommend using an SEO tool. So here are 3, the first being Google Keyword Planner. This is a free tool from Google. So it's great for finding keyword ideas and seeing how they might perform. Our second one that we recommend is Ahrefs. There are a lot of things you can do for free in Ahrefs, but there are definitely some more premium features that you will have to pay for. It gives you a lot of insight into keyword difficulty, search volume, the competitive landscape. And then finally, we have Uber Suggest, which is created by Neil Patel. It's super user-friendly and it provides keyword suggestions, again, search volume, competition data, and even content ideas based on your chosen keywords. So the second part of optimizing your SEO has to do with identifying trending keywords and analyzing your competitors. So first, identifying trending keywords. You're looking for high search volume, low competition. So keywords that a lot of people are searching for but aren't overly saturated with content. This will increase your chances of ranking higher on these search engine results pages. A great way to do this is using long tail keywords. So these are longer, more specific keyword phrases that often have lower competition. Things like best snorkeling tours in Punta Cana. This is more qualified traffic as they match more specific search intents. The second part, analyzing your competitors. So using a keyword analysis to knowing what keywords your competitors are ranking for, again, using those tools that we talked about on the last slide. And also looking at content gaps. So looking at topics that your competitors haven't covered or haven't covered well is a great way for you to find great opportunities for new content. So now that you've identified which SEO keywords are right for you, you want to go in and add them into your content. So here are a few places you can add in your SEO keywords. The first being your titles and your headers, adding them into your title tag and any of your headers in your blog content. Also, meta descriptions are a great place to put your SEO keywords. It won't directly affect rankings, but it should influence your click-through rates. The third place being your content body, but you want to make sure that this is a natural placement. So don't try and stuff your SEO keywords in here. You want to make sure that your content is still easily readable and makes sense, especially grammatically. Also including LSI keywords. So these are latent semantic indexing keywords. So what these are related keywords to the keywords that you're targeting. So for example, if you were trying to target Bahamas shore excursions, LSI keywords could include Bahamas snorkeling, Bahamas cruise experiences, or Bahamas downtown tour. Finally, internal and external links are great to do as well. So internal linking would be linking to other relevant posts on your blog to keep readers engaged and improve their SEO. So anything that's related to the content that you're already talking about from your blog. And then also external linking to high authority sites will give your site more credibility. So things like TripAdvisor, Expedia are great examples of external linking to boost your SEO. So the second step in this playbook is targeting travelers ready to book. So travelers who are ready to book are highly motivated, and tailoring your content to their needs can lead to more affiliate sales. Engaging an eager to book versus a just browsing audience significantly boosts your chances of converting visitors into buyers. So with affiliate sales, you're obviously wanting to have people who are ready to make a sale. So making sure that the content that you're creating and the way that you're targeting them is in line with someone who's ready to book an experience. So what are the difference between browsing and buying keywords, and what do they indicate about the travel planning process? So starting with browsing keywords, again, these are the ones that we don't want to be targeting if we're trying to make money as an affiliate marketer. So this is typically keywords that will indicate the person is in the exploratory phase of their process. They're trying to figure out where they want to go on vacation or when they want to go. So searching things like best time to visit, place, or is place affordable will typically indicate that they're not quite ready to go through and make a purchase. So targeting those keywords might bring you a lot of traffic, but might not bring you the traffic that is ready to go through and convert on the affiliate links and make you commission. In contrast, buying keywords typically will bring you in people who are ready to make a purchase. So they're just trying to figure out what is the best purchase for them to make. So they're Googling things like best tours in place or itinerary for place. So incorporating these buying keywords into your content will bring you in more qualified leads that are more likely to convert on your affiliate content. So the next step is how to select and share experiences that convert. So selecting the right experiences that your audience is interested in booking, and then sharing them in a way that makes it easy for them to book and find what they're looking for is essential to monetizing your affiliate content. The first Viator specific tool that we have for recommending experiences is called Selector. So this is a great search tool that we have within our Viator dashboard to be able to use tags to filter for excellent and high converting experiences. So you can go in and search for a destination or for a particular activity like snorkeling in Aruba. And when you get those search results, you'll be able to see tags that we've put on there based on data that will show you what experiences we've deemed as an excellent experience or a high converting experience. So this will be a great way for you to both find high converting experiences and create your affiliate links to then share on your blog content. Now, in terms of sharing those experiences, the first tool I'm going to talk about is widgets. So, our widgets are adaptable pieces of code that you can put into your website that will integrate some of our experiences onto your website in a clickable fashion. So, you can see one right below me here. It will bring in the tour's photos, some reviews, the prices, and then a book now button. The nice thing about this is it will dynamically change as reviews or as prices of the experiences will change on our site. So it's a nice way to keep your content super up to date, and it'll bring in a nice visual appeal that's very bookable and interactive for your travelers when they're perusing your site. So the next tool that we have for sharing your recommendations is our Viator shop. This is one of our newest tools that allows partners to organize all of your recommendations under a single link. So you'll be able to place your Viator shop link anywhere you want, whether that's in your blog, whether that's in an email signature. A lot of our partners use it on social media as it's great to put in a profile bio or a link tree. So the way that our Viator shop works is you can go through and select experiences, and then you'd click the little heart button that's on the experience to add it through to your shop. Within your shop, you're also able to create specific collections. You can create collections around certain destinations, certain categories of experiences, anything that really works for you in sharing your shop experiences to travelers. The next step here is to optimize your content for conversions. So, making sure that when travelers want to go through and book your recommendations, they can easily do so and find them on your page. So, we'll walk through how to make your links really stand out to get you those conversions you're looking for. The easiest way to typically make your links stand out is to either bold or underline your hyperlinks, but there's also creating link buttons. Buttons are great because they create visual appeal and it gives a really clear call to action. So, using compelling CTAs, call to actions like reserve now, find out more, or book here makes it super clear so that your travelers are heading in the right direction to go and book those experiences. It's also important to place your links strategically. So here are some few tips about the strategic placement of your links. Starting with the top of the article, typically a CTA button works really well because some readers will come in and just be ready to book a tour. So you might lose them when you have to have them scroll through all of your content to find the links. So placing a ready to book an experience, click here, link at the top of your article converts really well for a lot of our bloggers. Obviously, within the content is a great place to put your links as well for people who are looking for your really specific recommendations. Maybe you have a tip on the best time of day to book this sunset cruise. So it's really important for people to book the links within your content. Additionally, at the end of the article is a great way for bloggers to put their links as well. So it really gives bloggers that lasting impression. End of the article, this is what I want you to do after reading the article. Go ahead and book this snorkeling tour. Or it's a great way to kind of catch people at the end who might be ready to click off to something else. They might be interested in looking at all of your recommendations. So linking out to Viator Shop is a great way to do this, as it hosts, again, all of your recommendations on the Viator platform. Now let's talk data. So understanding and analyzing your data. Your data on the Viator partner platform typically lives within your performance trends. So looking at your performance trends, how can you best understand your data in order to be a better affiliate marketer? So here we have a snapshot of your Viator performance trends. So when you open your performance trends tab within your VPP dashboard, this is kind of similar to what you'll see. So you'll be able to see your visitors, your gross bookings, your Viator conversion rate, your gross commission, as well as your gross booking value. So for each of these different segments, you're able to filter them by month, by destination, by source type, and by campaigns. So what do each of these kind of buckets mean? So starting off with gross commission, probably your favorite, how much money you've made over a certain period of time. So this is the percentage of the total booking value that you are earning as an affiliate. The second being visitors. So this means how many people have gone through and clicked on one of your links and opened it in the Viator site. Next, we have gross bookings. So this is the number of bookings that you've made over a time period. So how many people and how many individual tickets have you sold over the course of whatever time period you've selected? And then last, visitor conversion rate. So how many people who are going through and clicking on your links are actually going through and making a purchase? And again, filtering your reports. So, how can you segment your data to better drill down on certain parts of your business? So, first, looking at different parts of your reports by destination. Second, by source type. By source type, we mean the tool that you're sending your travelers into the Viator site through. So, whether it's a link, a widget, or a Viator shop link. We also have partners that filter their data down by campaign. So campaign tracking is super helpful. When you're going in and creating any of your links or widgets, you're able to personally add a certain label on there to give yourself that signal of where you might be putting that content. So this is something that's totally customizable by partners to be able to filter down your reports by in the future. So all of that starts with the link creation, and then it's automatically brought into your performance trends. Within performance trends, you're able to pre-select the time dates that you're looking at your data for. So you can look year over year, month over month, even just a week at a time. It's really helpful to be able to identify those kind of peaks and valleys in your performance and understand where they came from. What can you repeat? What can you change on your next time that maybe you're going in and changing out some links or creating new content? It's really helpful to look at these patterns in order to understand how you can move forward in your affiliate journey. So our last step is keep your content up to date. So this is important because it builds trust with your audience and it ensures that they're linking out to experiences that are available on the site. So making sure that you are adding more experiences that may become available and replacing experiences that maybe aren't converting as well or have better options available is a great way to make sure that you're converting on your affiliate links. So the first part here being replacing broken links. Viator has a great tool called Link Alert that will actually scan any links that are currently getting sessions on your site that are linking out to unavailable experiences and will notify you. So that's within your Link Alert dashboard. You'll be able to see which products are unavailable and go in and replace them. In addition, a great way to keep your content fresh is adding new tours and experiences. So we're always acquiring more experiences, more supply to better meet the demands of travelers. So we really recommend going in through your existing content and adding in new tours and experiences on a monthly or quarterly basis, whatever you're willing to commit to. Also, going in and checking your copy to make sure any existing information that you have written on your site is accurate and up to date. So, seeing if you had written out like the price of an experience, making sure that that's accurate. And then also incorporating any certain tips you might see in the reviews that are left on the Viator site. It's really helpful to have those like insider tip parts of your blog posts that will really help readers to want to convert on the experiences that you personally recommend. Also, reflecting social content virality. So, if you see that some things are trending on social media, maybe take that lens from your existing content and add it onto it so that you're able to capitalize on virality that's happening on that platform. And we've made it to the end. So here you'll see our key takeaways from our presentation today, learning more about obviously SEO keywords, targeting the right travelers, selecting high converting experiences, optimizing your content, analyzing your data, and keeping your content up to date. I hope that you all really enjoyed our presentation today. Again, please leave any of your questions in our Q&A down below, and the Viator team will be more than happy to answer you. Thank you for tuning into our first live stream.